If you're looking for a waterproofing foundation or crawl space repair company in Charlotte area, you may be feeling overwhelmed in your search. Hi, Corey Parks here, owner of HydroHelp911. We know how important it is to find a dependable, reputable company to work on your home. That's why we wanted to show you a comparison between HydroHelp911 and one of our competitors, MoistureLoc. You may be asking, why would we compare ourselves to our competitor? Well, we pride ourselves on being open and transparent with our services and pricing, and we want our customers to be as informed as possible when making a decision about their home. We're also not scared of a little competition, and we want you to feel confident with the company you choose for your foundation, crawl space, and basement repair needs. So let's compare. MoistureLoc was created in 1988 by Doug Doggett. They are based in Charlotte, North Carolina. They are A+ rated and accredited by the Better Business Bureau and have 83 Google reviews with an average of 4.8. MoistureLoc specializes in crawl space repair and waterproofing, basement waterproofing, foundation repair, yard drainage, and new construction. HydroHelp911 was founded in 2017 by myself. We are fully licensed and insured and based just outside of Charlotte in Dallas, North Carolina. We are a small business and have less than 20 hard-working employees. We are rated A+ by the Better Business Bureau and have a 5-star rating on Google with almost 130 reviews, as well as a host of other Facebook, Angie's List, and Home Advisor reviews. We provide services for crawl space repair, encapsulation, basement waterproofing, both interior and exterior, and foundation repair, as well as masonry and structural support repairs. We provide custom solutions, and each repair is customized to your home's specific needs. You can find more information on our website, or if you'd like, schedule a complimentary consultation. Feel free to call us at 704-813-9554. Y'all have a good day.